Good morning, dear friends. Today I am going to tell about the early get up from the bed and to see the sunrise. What are the benefits of seeing sunrise in the east? Dear friends, we should make the habit to get up early in the morning and be ready to see the sunlight, to see the sunrise. Why? Because when we see the sunrise, so in the presence of sunrise, cholesterol converts into vitamin D. And why vitamin D is required for our body? It is requiring to strengthen our bone. That is, for vitamin D is necessary for the absorption of calcium in the body. And bones are made up of calcium, is one of the ingredients for the bones tissue. So calcium is very necessary to make our bone healthy. So that is why we should get up early in the morning and to see the sunrise in the east and do some exercise. Regular exercises in the presence of sunlight, and early in the morning, if you are getting up, then you can do the exercises in peace of mind and you can activate your all the body parts and you can get energy to work efficiently whole day. You are fully energized to work in the daytime. So it is very necessary to get up early in the morning. And I have seen the schools, like I have the experience to work in the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti as a teacher. So I have seen the routine of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti is very, very good and very, very nice, and rather we can say marvelous. Early in the morning, 5:30, 5:45, as per the weather. In the summer season, some other timing is there. In the winter season, some other timing is there. But I have seen early in the morning, children, they are asked to assemble on the PT ground and their attendance is taken and they are asked to go for health run. So every child, whether the male or female, both they are asked to assemble on the PT grounds, and the PT grounds, female PT is looking after the girls, female students, and the male PT is looking after the male students. These Navodaya Vidyalayas are having two PETs and they are playing very, very important role to inculcate good habits, and I hope everybody is following the same principle. And our officials of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, day to day they are getting report from the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas whether the PT is conducted early in the morning or not. That is the scientific temperament of Navodaya Vidyalaya officers, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti officers. They are very much particular about the morning PT. They are very much worried about the health of students. So that is why the morning PT is conducted, health run is connected. Sometimes yoga is connected. So why? Because this is in the presence of sunlight. Children are asked to come so that the cholesterol which is present in the body can convert easily into vitamin D. And vitamin D, as I told you, it is very necessary for the absorption of calcium to make the bone healthy. So when the bones are healthy, then we can say children, they are healthy. When the children are healthy in our country, that we can see the future of India is healthy and wealthy both. Because the children, they will become adults and they will give their best contribution for the progress of the country. So to get up early in the morning, I told you what are the benefits of getting early in the morning. So I advised all the citizens of India to get up early in the morning. And it is said that early to bed, early to rise is good for healthy and wealthy life. So we should follow the natural principle of the healthy body, and we should go for always to see the sunrise. So it is very necessary to keep aware of everybody, every citizen of India, to follow these principles, to go bed at 10 o'clock and get up from the bed at 6 o'clock. If you are getting up before that, it is very nice. But maximum 6 o'clock you should leave the bed. As a physiotherapist, I tell you why it is necessary to come in the sunrise time at 5:45 or 6 o'clock, whatever the time is for sunrise. So everyone should see the sunrise and do some exercise like rotation of shoulder joint, like isometric neck contraction, and then jumping, then doing bend and stretch, doing some yoga like Kapalbhati and other deep breathing exercise we have to perform to keep ourselves healthy. And especially in this corona period, to increase our immunity power, exercises are playing lot of important role to keep ourselves healthy. When we are healthy, that means we are getting very good immunity power to fight with all the bacteria and viruses. Especially this coronavirus is very dangerous, so we should wear the mask, we should keep social distancing, and always we should improve our immunity power. To improve the immunity power, we should always go for exercise. At least for 1 hour, we should remain in the sunlight, and for 4 times, at least for 4 times, we should take lukewarm water by sip, so that body temperature of the body will increase, and which will be very good agent for killing the virus. And this virus, especially coronavirus, lasts into the mouth cavity, and first of all it inflames the tonsils and windpipe, and through windpipe this virus goes to the lungs and lodges into the alveoli part of the lungs, and there it replicates and then blocks the dissolve alveoli, air sacs, and patient goes for ventilators. Sometimes ventilators are required to get breathing outside, breathing, external breathing is required that time, and even that condition is very dangerous. So L strain of coronavirus is very dangerous. So that is why in death cases, if we see where the L strain of coronavirus is present in whatever the countries, death cases are more. Here in India also, if we see the death cases, especially in Maharashtra, why they are very high? So because L strain of coronavirus is present there, so that is why death cases are more. And moreover, social distancing is very negligible because of the density of the population is very high in the Bombay city, and very less chance for social distancing. So in view of the coronavirus, it is very necessary to come in the sunlight and do some exercises as I advised you all. I am Dr. Santosh Lal Kamal, physiotherapist, is speaking to you all. Thank you very much being with me, and again I will come into the next video. Please do visit my channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe it and like it and share to your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you.